Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. So today is our last literature lesson before the half term. So I'm going to go through the next paragraph with you. But obviously, like as I did last time, I'm not going to give you as much help today, so I want to see what you can do. So let's have a look at the next paragraph. So this paragraph is about their diet, so about what they eat. So I've written here the paragraph from the model text, and again, the things in blue are things that you can change. So first sentence, all rice zebtars are carnivores and only eat meat. The word carnivore here means animals that obviously only eat meat. So first of all, tell me what kind of animal your animal is and what kind of diet they have. Remember, pause me if you want to between each sentence or listen and write it at the end. It's your choice. Interestingly, their favourite prey, so prey is animals that they hunt and eat, is the springbok antelope, which they descend on from great heights and then wrestle to the ground. So I love this front adverbial here. Remember, we wrote a list of these, didn't we, when we were practicing writing those sentences, and we played the sentence opener game. So you should have plenty of words to pop in there. So tell me now what they like to eat, and then use a relative clause, which, who, that, whom, and tell me how they eat or how they hunt their prey. Okay, they have also been known to devour small animals such as African wildcats and aardvarks. So give me another fact about what they eat. It doesn't have to be something else that they eat. It can be another way that they hunt. It's your choice, but I love that first part. They all have also been known to. And then finally, furthermore, many will guzzle gallons of water a day, and sadly, these creatures can cause huge water shortages during the dry season. So you may want to tell me about what they drink. You could again tell me more that they eat, where they find their food. But I love that sentence opener, furthermore. So this piece of writing is really testing our use of sentence openers. So that's a nice, easy paragraph to write. And what I'd like to do, because it's half term, for the rest of the half term, obviously enjoy yourself, have some time in the garden, have some rest because you've all worked hard. But I want you to have a go at writing the last two paragraphs. So these paragraphs are, let me just find them and I can tell you what they are. One is about, do you remember we said about its talents, about the things that it can do? So I told you about my pig Pololtar, and its talent was to camouflage. So tell me about its talent, and then finally, tell me about how many are left and where we might see them. Remember, the model text is posted on the blog. I will. I also read it through, didn't I, in our first video of this unit. So look for the model text and use that to help you write the last two paragraphs. So hopefully when we come back after half term, you will have a finished information text. Now I know I said previously that it's going to take some time and it'll have to be split before and after half term, but because you've all worked so hard, we've managed to get through, and which means after half term we can start a new unit. Okay, so I've talked you through the diet paragraph. Your task is to independently write the special talents paragraph, and then the final paragraph, the concluding paragraph, which tells us how many there are and where we find them. If you want to, if you find it useful, it might be good for you to have a look at the model text, underline the information that you need to change, and then change it that way. Okay, remember, if you've got any questions, you can drop us an email, and when you finish your information text, it would be great to see it sent over as an email. Have a lovely half term, stay safe, enjoy the nice weather, and have a break. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.